He's
Alan Lichtman is a historical figure from American University who is known for the construction of his predictive theory for the results of any given presidential election, known as the 13 Keys. He was accurate for a very long time until it wasn't. What went wrong? Democrats are divided on whether or not the keys themselves were wrong or just Alan Lichtman's interpretation. Both are kind of correct. It is important to keep in mind that whether or not a presidential candidate actually meets the requirement for a key is a somewhat subjective interpretation. Take, for example, the screenshot of Key 2, which I just copied from Wikipedia. You might wonder, how can you tell that there's no contest for the incumbent party nomination? Now look at this. Okay, so sure, charisma is very important. However, how do we define charisma? And what dipshit is defining charisma here? Alan Lichtman? And how would you define social unrest? I mean, I think you get the point. No matter how pedantic you want to be in pointing out the subjectivity of these quote-unquote keys, there is an even bigger problem at the heart of this predictive model. All of these keys assume a level of rationality and informed self-interest on behalf of the average voter. This ignores the underlying truth that human beings are stupid as fuck and life is terrifying. This is an issue Democrats just keep on running into, because they just have no idea how to convince the median voter that they're correct and everyone else is wrong. It's because the mechanisms by which people are convinced to one side or another politically are not the ones that Democrats tend to use when trying to get people on their side. Elections are not won by policy. They aren't even necessarily won by what you say or how you say it. They're won based off of vibes. And Democrats just give off really bad vibes to the average person, which is unfortunate because they're superior to Republicans in every single way. Unless Democrats can figure out how to pander to the median voter better, it's about time we put the keys down.